People call me by my name, no, just call me Michael Jackson.
Hey, I'm Hilary Duff from Lizzie McGuire, and you're watching Disney Channel.
Mom, you're not the boss of me. You are not the boss of me, Mom. I am grown. Leave me alone. I'm going to sing with my band.
Do you think of me sometimes? Are you wondering if I'm okay? No, I'm not okay. No, I'm not okay. No, I'm not okay. Nothing stays on time. Most days I miss everything about you. How you think of me? So you think of me? Do you think of me sometimes? Do you think of me sometimes? Are you wondering if I'm okay? No, I'm not okay. No, I'm not okay. No, I'm not okay.
What's good? This is TheDuttyBerry and welcome to a brand new top 10 social media countdown. Thank you so much for joining because every week we jump on the live and in the chat and in the conversation and all them look at something there and I really are appreciate it. You also bring out back the bow tie. I sport a bow tie. Wow, bow tie. I haven't sported a bow tie in quite a minute, so I'm just saying but time I introduce it back to y'all eyes. Anyhow, we have a few things to discuss, so let's get right into the countdown.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out. What happened the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Rogera says no. My word, my sentence. So dancehall princess Shensia always, as usual, interacting with her son. No, this time she posted a video with her having a conversation with her child, Rogero, in which he made it very clear that he wants to be the only child.
You don't want to be my mother?
Why you say that?
Because you said you're going to have another baby without me.
Yeah, I'm gonna have another baby. What's wrong with that?
I'm your baby too.
Yeah, but you're gonna still be my baby, but I want another baby too.
Why? Which baby you want?
Huh?
Which baby you want?
I don't know. Baby, I want a girl baby.
What? So you don't love me?
Why you say I don't love you?
Because you want to have another baby.
What?
You want another baby.
So what's wrong with me wanting another baby?
Because you don't like
So one thing we pick up with Rogero is that the man just like him have him own mind and him not going to tell him from anybody. Anything when him feel, him going just make it vocal. Boy, oh boy, burritos, all the mothers who are part of the chat and the fathers who are part of the chat right now, what you have to say? Was it a similar thing when you tried to have the talk with your children about having more kids? Sound off below. Number 9, panty mask. Bibungarangarang. What? Alright, so Jamaica, when say Jamaica is not a normal place, and this video I'm about to show you, definitely I confirm that. And this brother decided, say, in the middle of all of this pandemic, him no want a regular mask. He want a female mask to be made of that I like it when you go. I like it when you go. No, you tell me no.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
You tell me no, people. Legit, you tell me no. Wow. Let me know what you have to say about this burrito. Sound off below.
Heartbroken, I can't forget it. I'm heartbroken, I've reached my limit. I'm so certain this pain is serious.
Number 8, Popo versus Venda. Me mash up. Who? So, this video now, Burritos, like, they wanted to kind of get me aggravated. So, you know, say, the regular strips when you're in the Alpha Tree Crossroads, downtown, wherever part of my be, just any urban area for matter of fact, you know, so you're used to scenes where you see the vendors, them are hurry up and run for the take with them style, because if they don't, the police officers, yeah, them now just left nothing for them to take back. Like, it's going to be discarded.
This a go on a listing, boy. Can't afford everything I mash up. Say road set, you see it?
No, honestly, I just don't like them look at something there because, you know, at the end of the day, people might have, you know, I broke little rules and rare, but, you know, a people, man, and it take money and a whole effort for, like, put together to this thing. Them have kids when them try to send to school or support themselves. And just like when they do things like that to that extent, it just kind of takes away your humanity, you know, like just as a person, you can't actually see the struggle like through the person's eyes, but I don't know, I guess this is how they were instructed to carry out the operation. I do not know, but I don't like things like that. I'm sure say, you know, like the force or, you know, the people like implementing like these laws and stuff, they must can lead with a certain level of compassion. That's all people ask for. Zane, so enough what you thought about this Burritos. Hold up, Burritos. Man, I have to stop the countdown for to tell you about this event, this big bad event that is going to be happening on July the 3rd. It is called Life of a King. Now, when we talk about king settings, you know, say only one or two people we are talking about. But this time, we are talking about the great, the legendary Beenie Man. You saw what happened when the Versus Challenge happened with him and Bounty Killer and the excitement were dead here? Well, the Reggae Hub and Level TV are teaming together to put together a special night online.
Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Oh na 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 na. Oh na na na. Come again, selector. Get down more to dance on fire. We see some light on here now. Light on here. Light on here. Light on here right now. Move light on.
Now that is where Beenie Man will be in his full element, in full legendary status, entertaining his fans with just like all of the best music from his catalog. So this is one special event, I cannot miss it because I know so I don't have nothing to do in the yard. These days outside still don't open like how it open. I know you want to have the same like enjoyment and festivities with you and your family at home.
And I don't care what you do, but you can do better.
I'm sure now wonder how you can watch this epic performance. So let me just tell you, you'll be able to watch by going on to neverleveled.tv. See? And the prices are as follows: $3.99 for general admission, $6.99 VIP includes Beenie Man music download and backstage view, $9.99 the Ultra VIP includes all of the above plus virtual after party access with secret guests and artists. Yeah man, so see there, you get all of the information. It is the 3rd of July, Life of a King featuring Beenie Man, him in his full element. You do not want to miss it, so big up Reggae Hub, neverlevel.tv, that is where you are need to be. Okay, bum bum, I'll make that rhyme, bum bum. You get all of the ticketing information, so make sure you say just run and purchase the ticket them from now, from early, because when July 3 come, you do not want to be that guy who is not watching. Okay, peace out. Number 7, shopping fail. The crocus bag. Alright, so I saw this video on Twitter now, and this brother now, it looked like say he was sent to the shop by mother. And you know, I know everybody really have the little shopping knowledge there, the little in the streets type of, you know, serve, knock on them little straps there, but at least him try. So, pray.
So a while ago, I go up on the road, and my mother showed me, and she said if I can get some ackee fillers. So I said, how much? She said 2. Tell me why me stop and stall. I'm asked the man, yo, can I get 2 pounds of ackee, please? You know, say, the man stand up and look at me, and then everybody at the stall start bust out a laugh. And I feel like my last in at the sauce, but the first time I buy them something here, Jaja, I don't like this. I don't love this for me at all.
2 pounds of what? Boy, I don't know, but you live and you learn, yeah, brother. You live and you learn. All I never say is that I'm not one to laugh, because I remember I was like, you know, just a couple of years ago, I find out, say, you know, There is nothing called rice and peas at the supermarket. I literally thought that when you cook Sunday dinner, you're supposed to go in, the supermarket and the aisle, and there was going to be a bag with the rice and peas together. Me never know say the peas they give the rice the color. So I'm not one to really talk. I actually went to the supermarket, and I asked one of the workers if I can get the rice and peas bag. So yeah, and then she looked at me like I was just stupid, which in fact, she should have been very accurate to look at me like that. So that's my embarrassing shopping story. So, but the good thing is that now I know. Now I know that it's the peas give white rice the Sunday dinner dark look. Whew. Number 6, Ghetto Michael Jackson at it again. Me. Alright, so someone mentioned last week, say Jamaican Ghetto Michael Jackson did boss, and he might go viral all over the place, and it look like he's continuing the momentum into this week after he was featured on Entertainment Report. Now, so when you get by Entertainment Report these days, it's like it doesn't say kind of official, because that is where, the mackerel, the candy, everybody kind of pass through that system. It's like them university wants your boss online. So in that interview, the brother decided, say, share him look a backstory and mention, say,
getting right to the point about what drew him as a 10-year-old to the real Michael Jackson.
Dance, moonwalk, want to be great like Michael, come look up to him. Watch the whole life video them and practice to move.
And somehow in the middle of all of this now, I guess, cricketer Marlon Samuels has some words to say about Ghetto Michael Jackson.
You see, man, when edit ER, give me a link, send a number for me. I want to edit a video for me. The man make Michael walk, a moonwalk front way in the water in the rain. The man edit the thing. You me I tell you, say, the man body for because Michael can't dance to save him life. But remember me tell you, on ER.
Oh, okay, alright. Yeah. But the part of the interview that has been really trending, especially on Twitter, is the part where my share say how the girls them react to him out on the streets.
As me start dance like Michael Jackson, all heap of girls love me. They just a faint. Every time I go, people say Michael. Yeah.
And the brother have manager all of these things, but you don't know the strips. Like once they bust them, I go find a manager. So I don't know what to say, but like I just think so. This guy is very passionate about this Michael Jackson persona, and so the only thing I can do is just like really give him a strength, and wherever him can improve on him, just the people them just need to make sure so them can give him the help that he needs in that regard. Let me know what you think about Ghetto Michael Jackson burritos. Sound off below. Number 5, suing Beyonce. Oh my gosh. Alright, so so the suing thing is not new to Jamaica. A couple months ago, was that a year ago, there was the whole saga with Miley Cyrus versus veteran dancehall artist Flower Gun. And him did, him did win the little case there for the we run things don't run we. Yeah man, that did go on, and it looked like say another Jamaica is up into the whole suing thing with another international artist. Now this time, it comes from Dr. Lantonette Steins, founder, artistic director, and principal choreographer of La Cadco. United Caribbean Dance Force is the latest Jamaican creative to file a lawsuit against an international superstar. It's according to reports, Steins is suing the Carters for using her vocals on their song Black Effect without giving her proper credit or compensation. Now, this was from like 2 years ago when, they come out and apparently Jay-Z and Beyonce did contact Lantonette Steins to basically find some dancers for their promotional shoot. And in the middle of that, them tell her, say, here what? We had to do some like a promo video, so I want you to talk about what your thoughts on love and life and all that, like something there. And we're going to just use it just for the promo. But to back's foot, when the promo kind of done and all of them, because something they're done, and Lantonette Steins there, yeah, cock up and relax and enjoy our Sunday dinner, there came the Carter's album with the song called Black Effect, and her fear vocals, they at the front of the song. I mean, like she's literally a part of the song now. It literally, should I just say, featuring Dr. Lantonette Steins.
Can you tell us about love? Well, yes, love of children,
But no, it never said that at all. And it looked like, say, she was just like, you're not gonna mess with my name and my brand like that. Especially knowing, so close to being billionaires and them, look at something there. I need my ching. And so that is what she's demanding right about now. And hear what? As much as me is like a big Beyonce fan, I'm not gonna lie, if I look a thing like, thing like that, what I go on. Running and collect a little moolah, like Beyonce, me you're cool like that, but I want to buy one of the 20 million apartment them, you zoom me I say, so yeah man, some support we support her in this lawsuit, and yeah, I hope so she get the money, she gets compensated, and you know everything will just elevate our brand. Because right about now, they're on TMZ, they're on Daily Mail, they're all over. They're on E News. Yeah, man, a big international something now. So let me know what you think about this burritos. You think say she deserves the little chupeng saying the money, the moolah? Let me know in the comments. Number 4, Jamaicans and the Don't Leave Me challenge. Alright, so every week it seems like there's another challenge. Now this challenge is called the hashtag Don't Leave Me challenge. And basically, you're supposed to just make like a corny joke. You're supposed to say like a corny joke and pretend say a runway and you just give another one. Like that is just the overall concept. I'm not gonna go into it, but just pre some of the faves.
Come here. This is a bean. And this is a car. Carrot beyond.
Oh my God, don't leave me, please don't go, come back to me. I'm here.
This is a blanket, and this is a suitcase. I left my case.
Don't leave me, please come back.
Yeah, Ruma.
I have a Honda Civic.
Honda fan.
But I don't want that no more.
Where you want from? It's kind of hot, eh?
You know what I want?
HOT? Where you want from? What's that?
I can't.
Holy shit! Don't leave! Holy fuck! What is Ruma? Why are you
People, this is an iron. Use it to press. Put the iron on yourself. You get Iron Man.
Alright, and so the Jamaican one I feel like so just take the case and take the pillow. The best one is because it just like completely just like it never, you know, they think it'll go one direction and it just goes so. And just like Connect was Prince Pine's Don't Leave Me challenge. Pre!
You see this perfume, yeah?
Yeah, I
it's
see
cologne.
Versace.
Every time I wear it, my mother says it's very strong. I'm putting too much on me, you know?
Yeah, and what?
So to fix that problem, you know what I do?
Oh my God, tell me.
I take this here.
Yeah.
And I give it a lighter spray.
Oh my God, don't leave me. Take me with you. You're running too fast. Don't leave me.
Yeah, it was my fave. It definitely has to be my fave. Anyway, burritos, let me know what was your favorite Don't Leave Me challenge if you actually saw it and what you think about it. Sound off below.
Right about now, it's time for the big up segment. Well done.
Look how the girls them sexy and young.
Run come. Sing along. Well then, big up my friend.
Alright, so first up on the big up segments, I have to go and big up my friend Shafawa and finally being monetized on YouTube. It's definitely a good look. I'm just, you know, we can't wait for us to roll out the videos them one after the other now. And keeping it going, we have to go and big up my Virgin Kalinsky, okay, with the Kali Gang, and hitting 3,000 subscribers on his YouTube channel, okay? And also we have to go and big up Rushlin. Rushlin has finally attained 10,000 subscribers on our YouTube channel. It's a good look. She has found the momentum and her videos have just been increasingly, you know, improving week after week. And yes, you know, the YouTube people, them just like, me just have to just go one after the other. So I have to go and big up Yardman Ethan, who recently celebrated his birthday, and him all get big birthday greetings from one of his faves, Shensia. No, wow. Yardman, raise your price right now. Like, if I did $10 like they raise it to like 30. May I tell you? You're official. Big up yourself, Yardman. And last but not least, I have to go and big up Arden High School and being the 2020 School Challenge Quiz winners. Yes, Arden High defeated St. Diego, and the match was kind of close. People didn't really want St. Diego to win, but Arden, you know, them kept them composure and them just kind of prove once more. So when it comes to School Challenge Quiz, they are not one to be messed with. Okay?
Alright, so burritos, on Father's Day, I'll be dropping a brand new DBS exclusive interview, a special that is going to be dedicated to the young fathers, so you do not want to miss it. Time 12:30 p.m. Do not miss it, burritos.
Yo, you don't know a Prince Pine, and this is Duttyberry Top 10 social media countdown, you know. Make sure you watch it. Oh!
Number 3, Jamaican Spiderman. Me? My word, my sentence, my paragraph. Alright, so, you know, so we have a Jamaican Ghetto Michael Jackson. And boy, Jamaica, boy, we are just one special place on earth, you know, because right now, you mean, if you tell us in the middle of all of this, we're going to the world now, we decide so we're going to just give rise to a Jamaican Spider-Man. Yes, and I welcome it because it is much needed, like just fun, gimmicky news in the middle of all of the mayhem. So anyway, so this brother by the name of Conroy Allen, you know, he's a Portlander, and he came to prominence this week, actually, a couple days ago, with his whole Jamaican Spider-Man gimmick. Pre!
Yeah.
Okay, alright, yeah man, that is good. You can tell so the youth is, you know, like talented, but if you call them like them contortionists or gymnasts or wherever, you know, that skill, you know, derives from. But he caught up with the star, and the star did a little interview with him, and this is what he had to say. Him say, when I buy the Spiderman suit, I realize my things start take off more, and the people them start tip me when I perform, and it give me like a bookings. Next thing I know is that people start asking me for autograph and say, wow, big up Candy. After that, no, big up myself.
Man, I last time this no dog took
So big commendations, youth. But kinda like it, like I don't know what next we can expect next week. I don't know. Where you gonna have like the Jamaican what? I just wait feet. We know it coming now. It's just like how them they have mackerel and then candy and then out of nowhere they came canned beef. Something else come. Something else. We don't know where, but it is happening. One other one gonna pop up soon. We just wait right now. Let me know what you think of Jamaican Spiderman down below, Burritos.
Oh, what's up, black guys, to my video. Yeah, I'm not gonna post that video up on YouTube, but me just do it. So today, I just let me post on YouTube, but I not do it. So today, I'm gonna prank my cousin. I'm gonna set up a camera and thing, but I have to hurry up, you know, hurry up and do this. This is gonna be funny. Yo. I'm gonna set up the camera and I have thing, you see me? A dab. Watch a dab me and do. So yeah, I'm gonna prank him with teddy bear. You know teddy bear, right? Everybody know teddy bear. So I'm gonna prank him with some teddy bear. I make the teddy bear them look smutty. So I'm asleep like a couch right now. I'm gonna get right into the video. Let's go. So guys, I'm did it right this and sleep.
Go on your bed.
Yeah, shit.
Go on your bed. No, keep on your shit around here. Number 2, TikTok granny. My dentures. Alright, so one of the things that I like about TikTok is that it seems to just really bring the family together in a way that they'd never really come together before, you know. And so I saw this video with this young girl and her grandmother engaging in the Go Hip Hop Ari challenge, and trust me, them shell.
Who's next?
Grandma, you hold but don't call, you definitely deliver, you hold your own against your own granddaughter. That was definitely a good look. Jesus Christ, make sure you go and follow the girl TikTok right here. So go and follow her right now, because like I just want to see more video with she. I want to see she and her grandmother do more videos like this. It was good. Burritos, say it with me. It was muy magnifico, muy caliente. Is that it? No. I don't know. Should I say hot because of the grandmother? Is it? Muy magnifico. And number 1 goes to Jamaicans and the Vogue challenge. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Alright, so in the number 1 position this week is Jamaicans taking over the Vogue challenge. So recently, you know, so like Vogue did basically just, I don't know who started the challenge. The challenge just start in which like people would take like a nice editorial looking type of picture and include the Vogue logo. And trust me, everywhere do it, you know, like people all over the globe that do it, but me tell you, so when Jamaicans put them on something, it just get muy magnifico.
Magalan, come out, come see this.
And that is what happened. And so you have several of the pics that went very viral that came from Jamaican's own stylist, like Bootleg Rockstar with photographer Wade Roden. That did like really good. It even ended up on the Vogue site for like the best of the best Vogue challenge. And also there was this standout, this stunning this muy magnifico piece from rising Jamaican talent by the name of Abigail Myrie. And if you don't know, for the little people who just want a little Ray party, yeah man, she is Buju Banton's daughter, and trust me, the girl look good, stay good, all kind of things. Nice caramel dark skin. Is caramel? Nice chocolate skin. Yeah man, and them look at something there like, Jesus, she needs, don't take my word for it. Just go up on her page and write this up and just like see it for yourself. And anyway, so she posted these Vogue pictures. And it was actually featured on the Vogue site. It was all over the place in one of the an interview for like CBS where they were talking with Anna Wintour. Her image was actually used as the banner for the interview. I have to big up the local creatives and the local talents all the time. So anyway, I caught up with Abigail and we reached out to her. I just want to find out like how she felt about being featured in this way, and this is what she had to say.
So for the Vogue challenge, when it blew up, I was so happy because I didn't really expect it to. So when it did, I was just like, okay. So I literally posted it and just went to bed instantly, and I was just like, God, if it blows up, I'm gonna be super happy, but if it doesn't, it's no problem. But I just hope like at the end of the day something good comes of it. And look, so I think believing in yourself and believing in God and believing in manifestation, excuse me, it really goes a long way.
Alright, Abby, thank you so much for doing that video for me. Really appreciate it. Berry does make sure you go and follow her on her Instagram as well as support her candle business right here. So anyway, that is it for this Duttyberry Top 10 social media countdown. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button as well as to leave a comment down below. Do not forget to share this video as well so that more people can be a part of the Berrydos gang. And do not forget to turn on a post notification when you like the video. Okay, and for the people who just kind of stingy and lazy, make sure you subscribe. You know the usual steps. Just subscribe. Big up to everybody who watched the end of this video. If you want to follow me on my social media, it is TheDuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, all over. To advertise within the social media account down, it is DuttyBerryShow@gmail.com. Anyway, take care until next time. Peace out.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth.